Winnebago. It's a small town in northeast Nebraska that's home to a construction company with projects across the U.S. Plus, it's got one of the sweetest names I've ever heard. This is Ho-Chunk Construction. Well, I found Jamie. He's going to take us on the tour, and he is a project manager for Ho-Chunk Construction. Now, really, there are two parts to construction, Jamie, I think. It's the outside part where things are actually getting built, and then there's the inside part in the office where we are right now, where all kinds of stuff behind the scenes is happening. Tell us what kind of careers we're going to find right here.
Well, we got multiple job positions in our office. Our lady at the front desk is our receptionist who handles incoming calls and invoices, data entry, and stuff like that. And then we have our office manager who takes care of payroll, in accounting, or anything to do with billing on a job and stuff. And then we have estimators who will estimate projects, and then we have project managers. There's three of us in the office. And that's what we do. We manage projects.
Yeah, so you're making sure all those projects going outside. You're kind of like bridging the gap.
Bridging the gap, yeah.
Cool. Well, all right. Let's take a trip outside, see if we can go to the construction site, see what's going on there.
Love to.
Well, this stop on the tour, no hard hats necessary. This is a complete construction project. The site is huge. There's a ton of stuff going on. Jamie, tell me all about the different types of construction we're going to find here.
Over on this side of the acreage we got our residentials. We got single dwelling units, we got duplexes, we have a couple 3plexes. We actually got 2 10-plex apartment complexes over here.
Nice.
And then we also put in some senior living houses over here, zero entry type houses. And then over on this section of the acreage, we have more of our commercial. We have a factory situation over here. We got a distribution center down there. And we got a museum behind me, and I think we even built a Dollar General store back in the years at the front entrance. So we have all kinds.
Wow, so if somebody comes to work on this site, they're gonna get a chance to work on all different aspects of stuff.
Yes, everything.
Yeah.
Right from the ground up.
Wow. Yeah, so talk to us about that. What happens at the beginning? All different types of careers that go into completing a site like this.
Well, you got to start with the dirt work. You know, you have to create a lot. You have to get the lot up to whatever your standards you need for that lot. And then once you have that established, you dig and put in the foundations.
Yep. And then you build the houses, right?
Yep.
So skilled labor.
Yep.
It's like
carpenters, concrete finishers, plumbers, electricians.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of different trades that need to come out.
And almost all those people came right out of high school, that's correct?
Pretty much right out of high school, I wouldn't say so.
Yeah, so what kind of person are you looking for when you're hiring? Like, what type of person are they? What are they like?
Just somebody that likes to use their hands, somebody who's energetic, somebody that, just wants to be somebody. So,
yeah. Get up early in the morning, I think, huh?
Get up early.
You get up early, too?
Yeah, well, most of the times. Concrete finishers, they work a little late at night sometimes.
There you go. Well, Jamie, thanks so much for taking me on the tour. Appreciate it.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, that's Ho-Chunk Construction, building up Nebraska from Winnebago on out.